Hey there Nom Noms! In today's video I'm going to be making a teriyaki oven-baked cauliflower dish. It's easy, it's simple, it's delicious, so if you want to know how to make it, then stay tuned. Add 3/4 cup of brown rice flour to a bowl, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of paprika, and mix it up. Now add 1 cup of almond milk to the dry mixture and whisk. Take a bag of cauliflower florets, dip it in the mixture and line it on a sheet pan with parchment paper so it doesn't stick. Now we're going to bake these in the oven at 450 for 15 minutes on each side. Now for our sauce, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of ice cold water, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a half cup of soy sauce, 1 minced garlic clove, a half a teaspoon of minced ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a half a teaspoon of organic cane sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We're going to continue to mix this on medium heat. Then we're going to let it sit on low heat for about 2 minutes until it becomes thick. Make sure you flip the cauliflower over and bake for another 15 minutes. We want to make sure it's crispy on both sides. Now I'm going to slice some green onion to go on top of our cauliflower. Once it's done, pour the sauce on top of the cauliflower right when it comes out of the oven and mix it up. If you like it spicy, you can add a few of these dried adobo peppers. All you do is let it sit in boiling water for about 10 minutes and it'll add spice to the dish. Now just pour your teriyaki cauliflower over a bowl of jasmine rice or whatever rice of your choice. Time for the taste test. This is way better than Chinese takeout. Who needs Chinese takeout when you can make your own delicious, healthier version of Chinese food right in your own kitchen? This is absolutely delicious. Please give this a try. You will not regret it. I will see you all next time.